As we've just discussed, we cannot change the elements in a tuple. That also means we can't remove or delete items from a tuple. So this video will be slightly shorter than all the rest. So for example, if we access the first element by typing my tuple square brackets 0, and then putting the del keyword before it, you can see we run into a type error telling us that the tuple object doesn't support item deletion. But it is possible to delete a tuple in its entirety. So if we were to put del followed by my underscore tuple, if we now try to reference my underscore tuple, we can see that the name my tuple is not defined. So we've deleted the entire tuple object and it can no longer be referenced anywhere in our code. So to summarize, we can't delete specific elements from a tuple, but we can delete the tuple object in its entirety by preceding the variable name which stores the tuple object with the keyword del.